Hello, welcome to Skills and Learning Development. In this video, we will show you how to make online payments for SBI cards if you are holding a SBI card. It's common for all kind of cards. It's through SBI Cards website. Let me take you through the steps. So first of all, you have to open this website, which is starting with the www.sbicard.com and credit cards, app user and login. You will see there this kind of screen. Just update your user ID and password here and click on login. This will take you to the home page or your dashboard. So on the top left you can see welcome and then your name and when did you log in last time, and here your Gmail ID or the email ID which you have registered with SBI, and then mobile number, and this is all other features of your dashboards which is showing on the left side. And here you can see since when your password was updated. Then at down it will show your card which you have from the SBI. Here it is SBI Card Prime, which I'm holding now, and here the last statement generated was on 24th of May and payment due date is 13th June, and minimum amount due is this much. It will show here. I've just hidden those, and total amount due will be shown here. And you can, apart from that, view statement from here if you want to see, and the current outstanding, last payment made, credit limit, cash limit, everything it will show at down. If you are not familiar with it, just I'm taking through you. And then here you will see the option of pay now, which is for paying the online card dues. So click on pay now, then it will show this kind of disclaimer window, or it will pop up another window which will ask you to proceed, and before proceeding you have to read this if you want to read this. These are just a disclaimer they have mentioned about the third party site, which will be the bill desk, and you just have to click on proceed from here. Then it will show this window. On the top it will give you the card number, complete card number, and here at down it will be your mobile number, and below that it will be email ID and the amount. On top it will show the total amount due or minimum amount due and others. So per your requirement, or if you have to pay the total amount at one in the one single shot or in a single time, so you can click on this radio tab here, can select on this, and it will go for the total amount. Here minimum amount, if you want to pay the minimum amount, rest you want to pay later, then you can select this one, or a specific amount if you want to choose. Say for example the current payment is 10,000 and you just want to pay 1,000 and later you want to pay the remaining payment of 9,000, then you can select the other option here and can put the amount here. And from here you have to select internet banking and then select your bank. The list of banks will be there on this, and then here I'm showing these things. So I am here putting other amount. So other, I have put it here and selected the button internet banking, then selected SBI net banking from there because I'm paying this amount through the SBI bank itself. If you want to choose the other bank, those also are available here and you can choose those, and just click on pay now. After pay now, this will take you to the first page of the bank which you have selected there. For example, in my case I have selected the SBI bank, so it's showing me the personal banking page, the first page or home page for that, and I just have to update my or put my username and password here and hit on login. And then next it will take inside of SBI account, and from there it will confirm the details and ask me to confirm everything. You want to pay this amount to the card, and it will show the client code and everything there, and the SBI card reference and date, service charges if there will be any. and amount in words, and at last it will say ask you to confirm. Just hit on confirm here, and then it will again ask you to, you have not performed any SBI card for bill desk transaction today, so you just have to confirm again once by hitting on the confirm button. Then it will take you to the a window where it will ask to the highly secured word or OTP, which will come to your registered mobile, which you have registered with the SBI card. Once you get the OTP, you just have to insert or put that OTP number here in this, and just hit on confirm again, and it's done. It will show this kind of mark here, your transaction is successful, and reference number, debit account number, and SBI card reference, amount how much you have paid, and here's the amount in word, and the status completed successfully, and branch it will show, and the time and date. At last it will mention, it will give you the 10 seconds gap. If you want to capture this screen or take the print from here, you can keep, otherwise this will take to the merchant site again. So here you can read the message that it will, within 10 seconds this will return to the bill desk or the merchant site, and then after 10 seconds it will again take you to the back to the SBI card website, where it will confirm your transaction or your payment. Transaction status you can see here, transaction status success, and transaction reference ID and everything. It will mention the SBI card 4-digit last digit it will show, and your email ID, and the amount how much you have paid, and paid from SBI Net Bank. That's it. You can keep a print of this for your future reference if you want, or otherwise you can close the window. That's it, and you have done the payment. This much was there. We'll keep coming with the other new updates and new knowledge sharing for you. By that time, stay in tune. Thank you very much.